We will see. But I'm
No.
happy with today's class. It was like, to be honest, I've learned a lot. Remember when you started, I started, not that I didn't know anything. I was, yay. When you say Fifi, I asked, you know, what is the number before X? What is this? I was like, yo, Jesus.
Or
I was even
for
sick first day. I had this terrible headache because I didn't understand anything. I was even sweating. I'm like, yo, guys, what happening? I wanted to cancel this whole thing. I'm like, yeah, yeah, yeah. I won't be able to make to do this whole thing. But look at me now.
you good.
When you
I'm
ask
so
me, I'm like, yay, I'm here. Let me,
I'm
So
so
yeah.
proud.
See, when you say press mode, I see the screen, I see everything. So it's much better.
I see what you mean. The only thing
And
that you
with Skype, if we are four, we are unable to see some of the figures, even the board. We don't see the whole thing, the whole board. So with YouTube, you don't have to see. So you only see you and your calculator. So it makes things easier for us.
I see what I'm so proud of you because the first day, sometimes it's only the first day, and then when you do it again, it become easy and easy and easy.
Exactly, exactly. So yeah, because of you, I'm here. So I don't know, but I'm happy with everything, and then I've improved a lot.
No,
Like,
you
you know
could
what?
see now you act your
I
correct.
even know how to plug on the calculator. The what's this? The thing. I forgot this. Yeah, but
Deviation, mean.
yes, no, not that one. The other one. But yes, I know how to plug the numbers on the calculator. I know the steps, where to go, where to start, how to clear your calculator to be normal, and what. Yeah.
And did you see how to turn off the frequency stuff if you're there? How to turn off the.
Yes,
It's
I
very
know.
important that one because sometimes the data is not going to be two of them,
Because I
so you have
didn't
to
know.
turn off
That's what
your.
I'm saying. Yay, wait. Because I wanted to know that stuff. I'm like, wait. Because like now I'm here thinking that if like I get that question, I would switch it on. And like here, this the question doesn't need the mix what. I need to switch it off. Where to go? At least like now I learned it because I didn't know that you
Yeah,
can switch it off.
yeah. Because now if you use the same one,
Mm.
how you
I'm
gonna
gonna get
like it's not gonna.
the wrong answer.
Yeah.
If y'all want to reach out, how do we pronounce your name? Let me try. Wait, let me try.
Mtwana
Natwana.
wa Bantu.
Okay.
Mtwana wa
Mtwana.
Bantu. Wa
Mtwana
Bantu.
Wabantu. Okay.
Yes, watching here, they can learn from me that relationship is very very important. And sometimes don't look about today. You might scam somebody maybe $1, but you don't know who that person is. You know
Well,
what I'm
here's
saying?
this is the thing too. That for many a years, I've always been that person to try to link, hook up, pass on, or help people because I used to know a lot of people, right?
Hore o re thuse re tlhoka thuso ya gago Mr. Mtwana wa Bantu ke a leboga. Everyone, my name is Tiko. The reason why I'm doing this video is because of Mtwana wa Bantu. It's because of the help of Mtwana wa Bantu. Mtwana wa Bantu is a nice guy who help people like me who don't afford torture.
And that's exactly what you're saying. Is that these people who are scammers and try to get over on people, and all they're doing is living from day.
Oh, is that Mike? Is that? Hold on. It look like some. What's your name, bro? At the bottom right. Matwana. Matwana.
Mtwana.
Right. Mtwana.
Mtwana. I don't know how to say it.
I apologize. My mic was muted. I apologize. I'm sorry.
It's okay. What's up, y'all?
Not much cool. Hey man, I watch you all the time. I just want to give my thanks to you, man. Cause me and my lady.
You said kind of when you said
Thanks for today.
I've learned a lot today. I've learned a lot.
Okay. So what is your preference? YouTube or Skype? Can you say it again? What did you say? My apology, right? My computer.
No, I think I prefer YouTube because YouTube is much better, and then I can see like where do you do the calculation? I see everything there. I see the steps, like So yeah, I think YouTube is much better. Unlike Skype, you don't see anything. But you just tell us if you go there, press the shift mode, and so with the YouTube, there's a calculator there. It makes things easier for us.
I see what you mean. Yeah, you're
Mhm.
right because you get to see everything. The only thing,
Everything.
the other communication, just in case. Hey, look, wait, stop there, stop.
But it's fine because like if I don't understand, I just say please stop there. I don't understand. Please repeat.
Mm,
Unless if maybe I'm not there, I'm not in the class, I won't see anything. But if you say if you like what, cause like I'm watching. If I don't understand, I'll ask you to repeat or to wait or to show me some steps or yeah.
mm.
You don't have to cause with Skype I'll just say you hear me saying wait, stop, and so with YouTube I just send you a message saying please stop. But again with you it's I don't know, you still need to go to read the comments and then what. But I think for me it's
You prefer YouTube.
yeah, I prefer with maybe because you were few. I don't know if there are many people, but yeah.
Yeah, and with the YouTube, it can be it doesn't have like a limit, like as many as we can, like it's not
Mm.
gonna because you remember with Skype it can act sometimes. Oh, well, I don't see this outside.
Sometimes even like the video YouTube, like what with Skype, man, it's a problem. Keeps on exiting, logging in, and this. So I think, man, you with YouTube, I don't know. Maybe we need to try with Teams and check
Okay,
which
okay.
one is the best. But so far, the YouTube is the best. I prefer YouTube.
And you can even repeat and see things clear.
Exactly. What I like is that I see the calculator. Even when you do the calculation, I see everything there. I don't have to, like remember the time is it last week on Skype? We're
Mm,
doing this, the frequency and medium and what. It was so difficult because you didn't know how to go to the calculator, how to do the calculation, the
mm,
frequency, the way to how to plug on the calculator. And you are telling us so with and then like you were telling us, but with YouTube, you don't have to but to like you show your calculators there. And when
yeah.
you say mode, I see mode, shift, frequency,
Oh,
switching it on and off. I see everything.
mm,
Hmm.
I agree. I agree. I agree.
So
I
for now, my number one is YouTube. So we'll see Teams.
agree. So, and the good things like you can do the YouTube, and then when you finish, you're gonna come and talk here, like, okay, what do you suggest? What we
You
do?
see, exactly. So yeah, but today it was so nice. I enjoyed the class today. So yeah, I'm not complaining, and I've learned a lot.
Okay, but
And what I like is
yeah,
that you're giving us opportunity to talk. You just say, like you say, if you understand, and if I'm there relaxing, you say, Fifi, then I'll just say, hey, I'm in class. Let me. So yeah,
yeah.
doesn't that bad.
Oh,
So yeah.
okay, that's because I thought like no, let's try something new. You can't stick with the same thing every day. Sometimes it's time
Yeah.
try
And
something new.
with this load shedding, network is terrible. Sometimes you don't even hear, you don't even see your face, you don't even see the whole thing. So now you keep on saying, cause like, please, I can't see. You go out, you go back, you go out. Like now it takes forever.
You're right. You
So with YouTube, you don't have to say, I can't see. You just read the comment there, you type. No, I don't understand. Please repeat. Please stop. Let me, if there's a question you ask.
yeah, it's true.
So it's for
Mm.
me, so far I can say YouTube. It was for the first time, but I feel like it's much better.
And it's more clear, yeah. No
And
problem.
it's more clear, yes.
We're gonna try Team and Zoom, and then you guys like it depends. Like at the end of the day, it has to be about you. If other
Mm.
people they prefer Skype, then I'll do with them with the Skype. I'll
Yes, it's
do it with
fine.
YouTube
Now
or
I'm all,
Team.
you know what? If there's a Skype, it's fine. But what I'm saying is that now my number one so far it's YouTube. But if there's a Skype, they say that we don't with our YouTube, we're not comfortable. Let's go to Skype. It's fine. I'll follow them. I'm always
Yeah, and then and also you benefit, and they are do with you also here. You know, problem. It's okay.
Yeah,
You
so
know,
I
yes, yeah. No, you did
no.
better, and I'm so proud of you, Fifi. You know, from now it's gonna be back to back. Okay. So since now you're used to this new system, okay, we're gonna do like a lot of because I want to taste. I don't want to go like running speed and they say, oh, yeah, you. I just want to go with a slow pace and say, okay. So the next one I'm gonna do example. The next example go fast. You know, I was slow, and then I fast.
Because remember when is it? When did you? Is it Monday? Monday we had yeah. Monday you have fast, but you managed to do a lot of things.
Yeah.
We have fast because I think that when you are fast, we push.
Yeah,
and even when you are fast, you still give us opportunity to say, "Hey, please repeat. You don't understand," and you're gonna go back and repeat. But we pushed a lot on Monday.
No problem, Fifi, no problem. The next one I'll try to go fast a little bit. I'll teach something new, and then I'll go fast a little bit, okay? And then give it a try. And then, because even when I was having like on live, I was like, I know Fifi now. She want to talk to me or she want to ask me something here, but she can't.
I was gonna ask, but I'm like, you know what? Everything today was like, I didn't even have any question because I understood. But the thing that I struggle with the steps. Hence, I asked you to stop so that I can get the steps. But with everything, the frequency, the medium, the king, is it medium? Yes, I didn't have a problem. The problem that I had is the steps. But so far, I'm okay.
No problem. And I see the calculus was good. The differentiation derivative, which was like smooth. Because you're good at that.
Yes, I was. I was. So when are we having another one?
Tomorrow. If you're
Same
available, you
time,
can
6
get it
o'clock.
down. Yes, we get it down. Or if you just let me know. Fifi, look.
Yeah, I'm available
anytime you want
tomorrow. It's
something,
fine. I'm available tomorrow, but we'll talk during the day. It's fine. Because we
No
close
problem.
shading, but we'll talk during the day.
Oh,
So I think I'll be okay. But I'll check during the day. I'll let you know.
no problem. Are you working tomorrow?
No, I'm still on leave. I'm going back next week, Monday.
Okay.
Because I took the whole week.
Okay, that's cool.
Yes. Cool. So, not a problem. Then we'll talk tomorrow during the day. Then if there's any changes, let me know. I'll let you know.
No, we do tomorrow. Unless if you want to change. Like I said, we
No, I don't want to change. Okay? I'm available tomorrow.
No problem. Then we're going to get it. We'll get it done.
Okay. Not a problem. Thank you so much for your time. Ne?
No problem, Fifi.
Thank you. Good night.
Okay, good night, Fifi. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for giving us clothes. Thank you for looking after us. We appreciate your clothes and your shoes you're giving for us. She give us clothes. We don't have clothes, but you're giving us something. He's looking after us.
Okay, Shamil, tell them, when did you last go to school?
I was going last year. Last time I was going to school.
Which grade was that?
I was grade 9.
That was grade 9. Yeah. That's the last time you went to school. So you can become engineer. You can become scientist, right?
Yeah.
I was also on the street. I think I tell you at the time, right?
3 years you said.
3 years I was down the streets, okay? So I was just like you, okay? I was also on the street for 3 years. But I came out of the street and I changed my life, okay? So, yo, what's up, man?
Yeah,
how you doing, bro? Yo, what's up, man? Hey, what's up? So beautiful. You see, I was also on the street for 3 years, okay? Say hello to the brother, man. This is my brother, man. How you doing, man? Cool. So I got a lot of clothes for you, okay? You remember I told you I was gonna go and get clothes, shoes. I got some food. I'm gonna buy you some food, okay? Huh? No problem, man. Come on, man. You know brother got your back. What did I tell you last time?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So Shamil, he said he stopped last year, right? Because